Hi guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And in today's video, I will be going over how your viewers can go and send you food without actually getting your address. Alright, yes, I know it sounds too good to be true, but you actually definitely can with something called Treatstream. By the way, this video is completely not sponsored. It's just something that I use in my stream personally, and it's made my streams, subathons that I've done, event streams so much more fun because people can actually send me food. And I maintain the privacy of not doxing my address. Alright, so we're gonna want to go to this site called treatstream.com. It looks like this. And we're just gonna want to go and log in. So just click log in to get started. And log in with the streaming platform that you use. I use Twitch, so I will click so. And there should be a verified page, but I already verified it like a minute ago, so we good. Right here. So here is the link to your treats page, which basically looks like this, where people can send you treats to your address. This is the link that you want to copy and paste in your panels if you make a treats panel, and if you have a command for treats or something like so, then this would be the link to it. So you want to make sure that you have the enabled thing switched on, and you want to go and add your delivery address and email. If you click this, it will literally take you to a page that asks for your email and address. I obviously will not pull it up because yeah. And then right here, you can click allow offline treats. Oh, click to turn off. Yeah, allow offline treats for 30 minutes. So if you are not streaming, people can still send you treats if you click that. And a food cooldown timer. So if somebody were to order you treats, that means somebody else cannot order you treats for another 2 hours to avoid you getting overloaded with food. 2 hours is the minimum you can go set. And at the bottom, you can see the recent activities from mainly Junior sending me food. Very poggers. I appreciate you so much for this. So here, if you click treat notification setup, you click this, and it will take you to a page that allows you to modify your alerts. And here we can go and change the font to any different types of fonts. You can really just mess around with the looks of this. And once you are done, right here, the notification link, we just want to go and copy this link and paste it as a browser source. And again, to add a browser source, right here under sources, we want to hit a plus, go to browser, create new treat alert, hit OK, and then under the URL, paste the URL that we just copied. We're going to hit OK, and it's kind of here in this corner. And then let me run a send test. Oh god, that's so delayed. There it goes. But yeah, I just personally don't like my alerts like dead center of my screen, so I like sticking it over on this side. I already have it added. I don't remember if when you go to Treatstream it makes you download it, but if it doesn't, you do need to go to the Chrome web store and download this Treatstream extension. Then we're gonna go and hit add treats. Make sure nobody can see this because it might show your address. Do not pull this up on stream. We're gonna hit proceed. And then select a food delivery service of choice. I'm gonna pick Grubhub because it has the most options. Everything else is just pizza. And then make sure you have your Treatstream app open, or the little like browser extension open. You can just click the little what the heck? You can click this up here, the little puzzle icon. Okay, let me go delete this. So it says input your delivery address above, aka here. I'm putting in the address of my old college dorm. I don't live there anymore. I didn't live there for years. But we're just gonna go hit find food. And let's just find something that's open. There's like nothing open right now. We can do Pizza Amigos maybe. Also, there's a $25 limit, so you cannot add more things that cost more than $25. Unfortunately, this does not let you. So we're gonna go and go through this as if we were ordering Grubhub for ourselves. So we're just gonna go, let's go with the combo pizza sounds good. We're gonna order a small because we can't go over $25. Thick pan crust ground beef, Canadian bacon, Italian sausage, add mushrooms, ads. I'm actually just gonna go over budget with everything else I'm adding. Anyways, I'm just gonna stop adding stuff. Okay, would you like utensils? Yes. No, I live if I hypothetically live in a college dorm, I have random bags all over the place. Add to bag, proceed to checkout. Okay, honestly, I am exhausted and I'm so lazy, so give me a break here, but you're basically gonna check out as if you were ordering for yourself. And okay, because I'm obviously using a false address because I'm not gonna put my actual address on here, it says the delivery address does not match the one on your account because the one on my account is where I obviously live, and I pulled up the address of my old dorm. But basically, once you put it into your account, it will give you the green light to add this treat. You literally, I think you might have to put in a credit card info, unfortunately. It doesn't charge you though. And you will be able to add this, you'll be able to add the treats as long as your order is under $25, and mine ended up being way over because I started adding random stuff to my pizza. But yeah, and then there'll be a green light that says add this treat, and then you can add it, and it will appear under the list of treats that you have, and it will give you an option to edit the name and the text and everything. I'm sorry if this isn't the best explanation. The reason why I'm kind of like half-assed with this explanation is because it is actually for a subathon video that I have filmed, but this explanation for Treatstream just took way too long in the video, and I didn't want my subathon video to be like 40 minutes long. So this is why I'm making it a separate video, but it's literally 2:26 a.m. and I'm freaking exhausted. But it's because I want to try to make that video more cohesive, so I have this. If you really want like a thorough walkthrough, I'm down to go and completely remove all the treats that I have currently listed on my account to go and do like a better walkthrough. This is literally just to supplement another YouTube video that I made. So I'm so sorry. Please don't be mad at me. I'm just really tired and exhausted. I'm so drained right now. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please let me know. I remember I had a little bit of trouble using Treatstream at first, and it's because I didn't fully check out. Like, I was scared that it was gonna charge my card and accidentally order me. You have to literally like go through the checkout process, put in all the info and everything, and just the only thing you don't do is hit purchase. Or like the green place your delivery order thing. That's like, you just don't hit that. But you pretty much have to do your entire purchase like thing, which scared me when I initially was setting it up. But it's okay, it won't charge your card as long as you don't hit the place your delivery order. You go through everything else and the green light will light up for adding your treat, and then you're good to go. But yeah, if you guys like this video, I'd appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. I am so sorry, this video is way lackluster. I'm sorry, you can tell I'm so exhausted. This video is way more lackluster than my other videos, but it's literally because I am so freaking tired. I've been filming for like an hour and a half now, and I already was so tired after getting home from my boyfriend's place for dinner. And I'm playing an Avowal tourney earlier today, so I'm really tired. Anyways, I'm so tired, I'm just rambling nonstop. I hope to catch you guys in another video. Peace.